We've been having excessive heat here in Phoenix, 31 straight days this summer over 110. And more importantly, our lows are in the 90s sometimes. This is really hard on our plant material, our trees, our shrubs, even the cactus. We are really recommending right now when it is excessively heat, when we're 90 degrees at night, not to do any heavy pruning. Lighter pruning is okay, but really we want to minimize that if we can. If you're a homeowner and you do your typical pruning on your own, I would leave even the dead stuff until it starts cooling off at night, because even some of that dead stuff is shading the rest of the shrub or the tree from these excessive temperatures that we've been getting. Leaves hold water, so the more leaves you leave on during this excessive heat periods, it's great. And every time you prune a shrub, it's like a wound on it. And normally it'll just grow right through it, but with this excessive heat, with the lows being just so high, it is just really hard on your plant material. We're also not really recommending fertilization. Anything with nitrogen is just going to be really hard on a plant or tree or shrub, or even turf. If you want to do something, maybe more of an organic fertilizer with really low, the three numbers on the bag that represent, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, you want those numbers really low. This is the time where if you have something you're really concerned about, maybe use like a Super Thrive is not a bad product to probably use if you want to do something, but we're just really recommending deep watering. Deep. Now, this might mean watering longer periods of time and skipping. So you're not watering every day, but maybe every 3 days, but watering, if you have a drip system that's watering with 2 gallon an hour emitters, maybe watering for 3-4 hours, but, skip days so that you're getting a deeper root water. And so the roots can, get fed really deep, and then the ground has time to dry up and not be too hard on the shrub as well. If you have the ability to screen, protect your plants, especially non-native plants, it's not bad. I've even seen, at Desert Botanical Gardens, they were covering barrel cactuses with, black screening just to shade them. I mean, obviously, you see the saguaros dropping limbs, some of them falling over. We're recommending, when it's really hot, maybe after 9 p.m., putting a hose, making it, simulate rain on a saguaro, maybe the main stem, not the arms so much. And also your agaves, maybe no more than once a week. They're not used to getting watered. You don't want to water the root zone. It's not good for them. They don't collect, moisture through their roots. They mostly get it through this, the skin of the plant. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping. Check out our website at AZ Lawns. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.